Well, the latest and greatest adventure to happen is this is the living room, by the way. It's kind of starting to resemble a living room. There's my work desk in the corner, piano, guitars, bookshelf. But we have these gas stoves, central gas stoves, all along the house. But they are super expensive to run and produce like a wet heat rather than a dry heat. And for these old types of houses, you're supposed to have dry heat, not wet heat. So we worked with one of our Hungarian friends, and basically we wanted to swap the two gas convectors. There's one here that was getting into the chimney from this side, and one in the room next door that was getting into the same chimney. We wanted to remove the gas stoves, cap the gas, turn it off, and install two wood burning stoves. Because we have a forest in the garden, we have over 150 trees in the garden, so we're going to have wood through the years. And at least with the wood, you know what you're burning. We know it's a nice dry heat, which is good for the house, and we know we like the stoves and they're nice and toasty. So we arranged with this guy, old local guy, to come and disconnect, cap the convectors, cap the gas, and fit these two new stoves. The guy rocks up this morning after. The guy comes, does an analysis, we tell him everything we need, we get it all done, translated by a Hungarian to a Hungarian. He then says, you need to buy these parts, and he writes them down on a piece of paper. You need to buy your stoves, you need to buy the funnels for the stoves and the bits. Is there a funnel? Well, there's funnel bits here and funnel bit here. You need to buy these funnel bits, you need to buy this, that. Writes it all down. So we goes away, we buys the stoves, we buys all the bits, and we gets our Hungarian friend to call the guy and say, look, we've bought all the bits, we're ready to get it all installed. He rocks up this morning, he disconnects the conductors in about 5 minutes, he caps the two pipes, and then proceeds to talk for about 10 minutes, explaining how, what I need to do to drill bigger holes in the wall because the holes need moved. So drill holes through my wall about 12 centimetres across through to get them into the chimney. So apparently now I need to figure out how to install wood burning stoves without burning the house down. So this weekend is going to be researching and figuring out how to install wood burning stoves. Fingers crossed. You couldn't write this. So I've no idea, how it ended up that the guy was just going to disconnect the gas, because he gave us all the parts to order for the stoves. So I don't know why he's not fitting them. But there you go. Another crazy DIY job for the old Hungarian farmhouse. After careful consideration, I decided it was too dangerous for me to try and install the stoves due to how thick the wall is, and the wall is full of straw, so it needed an expert to do it so that I don't burn the walls out from the inside out. So here we have the ceremonial lighting of the first stove of the first day. It's Stoves Day. I hereby declare today to be Stoves Day. What do you think?
It is on.
The stove is on, and because he only done it yesterday, he did say it was okay to do it today, but it's still drying. So he said Just light fires, so nothing too extreme. But hopefully it works because it is cold in here because we've been about a week now without any heating in half of the house. So fingers crossed this should help. What do you think about it, Middy? What do you think about Stoves Day? Are you excited? I can see you're excited. Look at that waggy tail. Look at that waggy tail. Look at the waggy tail. You excited, Inca? Nah, you don't care. You just don't care about anything, do you? You look so sad.
No food, no shower.
Yep. Happiness. Unless it's food, Inca doesn't care. Stoves Day!